Hi guys, thanks so much for coming back to my channel. I'm gonna make this really quick because Jason's taking an exam. I only got a few items from the grocery store. We are back from vacation and I did do some grocery shopping beforehand so the boys can have some stuff, but I didn't haul those items. So let's get started with this and share with you what I picked up. So I love the buttery garlic chicken. This was the only one they had in the store. So I was glad to get that up. Sometimes I put it back in the oven for a couple more minutes. And these are just some snacks that we got like on the plane and what we took before the trip. I think I do have footage of that. I went to get Jason some cookies. He wanted some 5-hour energy because he's taking that exam. Well, he don't need all those, but he uses those for work and stuff. Some sweet peas. I really wanted some veggies, some fruit. They didn't have a lot of frozen vegetables. They needed to restock, so I was only stuck with cans, mainly cans. So I got 2 cans of the pintos, 2 of the sweet peas. These were 50 cents. These were 38 cents. Some whole peel. Wait a minute. Oh, I picked up the wrong one. Crap. Well, back in the day when we had to go to the food bank, a lot of times I had to use these and I just kept mashing them until it became crushed. So I meant to get 2 cans of the crushed tomatoes for spaghetti, some 2% milk for Jason's cookies or whatever. And I picked up this wallet, and I saw where someone in the planner group used this for their Hobonichi. A Hobonichi planner is a new planner that all the planners are raving about. It's a smaller planner, but it can fit inside of this wallet. So I love this type of style wallet anyway. Actually, I have a video when I was purging some wallets and stuff that I have to edit because I'm trying to clean up my closet slowly and fix it up just like my craft room. So anyway, they had various other styles and stuff, but I said I'll start with this one. It's spring-like, but this is the style like with the accordions and all that in here. I like. Let me just open it. Do this with one hand. So I'm excited to like playing with this, and I love that the Hobonichi. I knew that it was small, but I didn't realize it was so small that you can carry it in your purse. So I love this type style of wallet anyway. And that was $11.97. They have them in black and white, gold, solid black, all of those. Okay. And I'll share that on my other planning channel. I needed some more crafting tape because I did like a memory book of Go Wild and stuff, and I have to finish fixing that up. So I about ran out of that. I picked up some mixed fruit, 100% mixed fruit, some pineapple tidbits. I've been picking this up lately. Some 2-pound spaghetti, some more pinto beans. I think I showed it over there. Some great northern beans that were 38 cents. Some butterfly cakes for Saya. They're starting to do this for every little season. Mother's Day. They already have the 4th of July ones out. Let's see. I think this is for spring. The cherry mixed fruit. The pears. Some chopped spinach. I think it's like 77 cents, guys, or $1.97, so 94 cents. Some broccoli florets. Some broccoli florets. So I had to get up here. I need to go get a big thing of Kerrygold, but I got this little thing for now. Some cookies and cream, ice cream, some northern beans, some cut green beans, some beans. I just got this, didn't need to get it because I really need to drink a gallon of water a day, but I just got it. Have you been drinking your water? Mommy didn't get you a little bottle of waters.
That's white.
Did you drink them all when I was gone?
No.
So when Josiah went to the doctor and he was a little dehydrated. So we've been buying him those little things of water and putting the 0-calorie Kool-Aid squirts, you know, stuff in it so that he can more likely drink it. We also, I got the 3-pound. That's not yours, that's JJ's. What are you doing? Taking people's stuff. That's not yours. Okay, so a 3-pound boneless, skinless chicken breast and a cabbage, and that's it, guys. And 2 cases of water. So that's all I picked up today from Walmart. Little short haul. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching as always, guys, and supporting. And bye-bye.